In the design library, we use the navigation tree, which is the second column here on the left, just to the right of our toolboxes. And this is how we select our designs. Right now I'm in the Embroidery library, Public Folder, Hatch Embroidery. And if I want to open a folder in there, I'll just click the arrow next to it. It opens up the designs and I can see all of the included folders. If a subfolder has an arrow in front of it, that means it also includes folders. And I can click on it and open it. And if I just want to see what's in that folder, I'll click that. And it displays only the contents of that folder. If I go up one folder, we can see that there are other designs that are not in this folder, but are just existing in this folder. To close a folder, I'll just click the arrow again. Now you aren't limited to looking at just the contents in your embroidery folder. You can still navigate to other areas on your PC using the normal methods that we use in File Explorer. So what if you come into the design library and somehow this is not visible? If you go to the Layout tool, you can click the navigation pane. If I click that, you can see that now it's hidden and now it's visible.